Hi all of you. So today we will be talking about something very common question which is asked by so many parents, that how I can help my child in developing their expressive language at home. So today we will be following simple formula to understand कि आप घर पे बैठ के किस तरीके से अपने बच्चों की एक्सप्रेसिव लैंग्वेज पे काम कर सकते हैं.
Hi, I am a mom of two and a modern mother who want to embrace every moment of parenting, knowing how quickly our little ones grow and leave us with the precious memories. However, I know how easy it is for gadgets to take up too much of our time, leaving less for our children. That's why I'm passionate about gadget free parenting, where technology has its place but never empowers the essence of true connection with our kids. Welcome to my channel where we focus on mindful gadgetry parenting.
So stay tuned with me till the end of this video, because the formula I'm going to share is very simple, yet it is very powerful. आप लोगों को 2 मिनट में याद हो जाएगा, but it is difficult to implement that formula because आपको you have to follow the steps. All right. So अगर आपको मेरा चैनल अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए, so that I can keep on posting these videos. It will be a motivation for me. राइट. सो अभी मैं बताने जा रही हूँ 3 steps, या आई कैन से इट इज़ अ 3R फॉर्मूला. वॉट इज़ दैट 3R? Imagine that you are playing with your child and they are not able to express themselves. आप they want ball, वो कैसे express कर रहे हैं? They are either pointing out या they are nagging you and they want ball from the entire toys. So आपको क्या करना है? That is a golden opportunity for you to express, to develop that expressive language in your child. So what this 3R process is, this is simple. You have to remember, repeat, remember and retrieve. What is that? You have to keep on repeating the things, like keep on repeating the words. For example, when you are making your child eat banana, so you have to tell them that yes, this is banana, we are going to eat banana. So emphasize on word banana for at least 4 to 5 days or maybe longer. And then remember कैसे आपको follow करना है? You have to make your child remember. जैसे what you can do is, जब आप books read कर रहे हो या उसको flash cards दिखा रहे हो, whenever banana is coming, give a pause. 2 मिनट के लिए pause दो, देखो कि वो कैसे रिएक्ट कर रहा है योर चाइल्ड. लेट देम रिमेंबर और रिकॉल दैट बनाना जब वो खा रहा था और यू वर टेलिंग दैट दिस इज बनाना. इनिशियली देर इज नो हरी कि वो एकदम से बता पाएगा, बट येस यू आर गिविंग एम्पल टाइम टू योर चाइल्ड बाय पॉजिंग कि दिस इज बनाना. ऑल राइट. थर्ड स्टेप क्या है? थर्ड स्टेप इज रिट्रीव. When you will keep on repeating, when you will keep on making your child remember, there will be a time after 10 days, after 15 days, after 21 days, that your child will start retrieving the word. So you have to very focused, you have to keep the list of 5 to 10 words कि मैं अभी इसी पे काम करूँगी, so that मेरा बच्चा जो है कि they can start remembering the words. So remembering, they will start remembering, then only they will start repeating the words. All right. So this is the simple strategy you can follow at home to make your child start communicating in a better way. And second most important thing which you have to remember is, you have to follow 2 P's also. What is that 2 P's? 2 P's is patience and praise. Whenever your child is trying, don't judge them, just praise them that yes, at least they are trying, they are giving efforts, they are putting efforts for whatever you are doing with your child. All right. And you should have lots of patience, because language development is a process. It is not an overnight thing which will happen. It will take time. So give enough time, start practicing 3R formula, and then you will see that yes, my child has started understanding things. Abhi, I want to say one thing at last. Why repeat is an important thing? Because there is a strategy, there is a science. I will be posting this video next video of mine. आप लोगों को लिंक मैं कमेंट में भेजूंगी, डिस्क्रिप्शन में भेजूंगी. यू कैन चेक दैट लिंक एंड गो बैक. व्हाट इज द साइंस बिहाइंड रिपीट? It is very important science which you need to understand, which you need to know कि क्यों I am telling you to keep on repeating, keep on emphasizing on that particular word. So जब आप वो science समझ जाएंगे, it will be very easy for you to follow this 3R, and then you will see a tremendous transformation in your child's communication journey. So आप मुझे comment करिए what are your challenges, what is your strategy in 3R process. Are you able to follow the things, or whatever challenge you are facing in your child's communication milestone? I will be there to help you out. I will be making a new video on your questions, क्योंकि I always believe, I always say कि हम जब एक कोई क्वेरी होती है, वो हमें लगता है कि वो मेरी अपनी क्वेरी है, बट विथ योर क्वेरी वी कैन इन्फ्लुएंस सो मैनी पेरेंट्स. हो सकता है कि और पेरेंट्स की भी सेम इंक्वायरी हो सकता है सेम पेरेंट्स भी सेम चैलेंजेस फॉलो कर रहे हों. तो इट इज़ ईजी टू, अगर आप यू विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस, हो सकता है माई आंसर विल हेल्प लॉट मैनी पेरेंट्स. सो माई रिक्वेस्ट इज़ कीप ऑन आस्किंग, DM करो मुझे या कमेंट में लिखो, सो दैट आई गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel so that whenever I am posting a video you get a notification, and it is easy for you to work on your child's journey, because parents से अच्छा और कोई भी help नहीं कर सकता child को in their communication journey without impacting their psychology. All right, thank you so much.